Hi students, welcome to my channel Rakesh Tutorials. Today our topic is pair of linear equations in two variables, substitution method. మీరు నా ఛానల్ని ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ బటన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. అప్పుడే నేను అప్లోడ్ చేసే వీడియోస్ మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్గా వస్తాయి. సో నౌ substitution method we have 5 steps. So in step 1 what we are doing means in one of the equations express one variable in terms of another variable, say y in terms of x. This means we have two equations. Let both equations are 1 and 2. Then in one of the equations means in the two equations, from that take one equation and express one variable in terms of another variable. So generally we are taking here x and y as two variables. So express one variable in terms of another variable. That means say y in terms of x or x in terms of y. That is your wish. Maximum we are expressing y in terms of x. So after in step 2 substitute the value of y obtained in step 1 in the second equation. So here we are taking two equations now, 1 and 2. So from one equation we are expressing y variable in terms of x. So substitute this y variable in terms of x, y value substitute in equation number 2. Okay, in equation number 2. Then step 3 is simplify the equation obtained in step 2. So here we substituted y value in second equation. So after that we have to simplify the equation and find the value of x. So after substituting the y value in equation 2, it is that equation converting into linear equation, means it is converted into one variable equation. Okay, so here we are in step 3 we are getting the value of x. So substitute this value of x obtained in step 3 in either of the equations and solve it for y. So we have to substitute the value of x in either of the equations. That means in first equation or second equation, then we get the value of y. Okay, after we are getting x and y values, we have to check the obtained solution by substituting the values of x and y in both the original equation. So here we are getting x and y values now, so we have to substitute, that means check the obtained solution so that x and y values are correct or not. So for that purpose we have to check the equation by substituting the x and y values in both the equations. So it is verified, it is correctly came, means your answer is correct. If you did not get the correct answer, means you did mistake. So in step 5 process you will know you get correct answer or not. Okay, now I am taking one example and now explaining it. Okay, now I explain with example. Equations are 2x minus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Okay, so let this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Okay, so 2x minus y is equal to 5, this is equation number 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11, this is equation number 2. So from this two equation we are taking equation 1 and expressing y in terms of x. Okay, so 2x minus y is equal to 5. So here y is having minus sign, so transpose y to RHS side, then minus becomes plus. Okay, 2x is equal to 5 plus y. Okay, now transpose 5 to LHS side. Transpose 5 to LHS side. Here it is having plus sign, so it is transposing to LHS side means it is having minus sign. So plus becomes minus. 2x minus 5 is equal to y. So this is, we are writing it as y is equal to 2x minus 5. Since if a is equal to b, this implies b is equal to a. Why? Because if a is equal to b means we can write it as b is equal to a. So for that purpose I wrote y is equal to 2x minus 5. Okay, so this is equation number 3. Let this is equation number 3. So here we get value of y. So substitute this y is equal to 2x minus 5 in second equation. Okay, substitute 3 here. 3 means this equation. Okay, substitute 3 in equation 2. Okay, substitute in equation 2. So what happens? See, 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. So 3x plus 2 into y value is 2x minus 5 is equal to 11. So now simplify this equation. Now we get equation in one variable, that is in x. Okay, so now we are simplifying the equation. 3x plus 2 2 ja 4 x plus into minus 2 5 ja 10 is equal to 11. Okay, 3x plus 4x 7x, transpose minus 10 to RHS, that means 11 plus 10, because variables are one side, constants are one side. Okay, next 7x is equal to 11 plus 10 is 21. Now here 7 is multiplying, transposing means dividing, so x is equal to 21 by 7. Okay, 7 table cut, 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21, so x is equal to 3. So here we get value of x. So x is equal to 3. So substitute this x is equal to 3 in equation number 3. Okay, substitute x is equal to 3 value in this equation number 3. So substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 3. Okay, we get y value. Y is equal to 2x minus 5. So 2 into x value is 3 minus 5. 2 3 ja 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So y value is 1. Therefore x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. We get x value as 3, y is equal to 1. Okay, so now substitute this value in equation number 2. Okay, check. Okay, substitute x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1 in equation number 2. Means in LHS only we have to substitute in LHS. That is equation 2 is 3x plus 2y. Okay, this is equation number 2. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. So take LHS, that is 3x plus 2y and substitute x and y values. After substituting, simplify this, then you have to get 11. If you get 11 means you did right, otherwise your answer is wrong. Okay, so 3 into x value is 3 plus 2 into x value is 1. 3 3 ja 3 3 ja 9 plus 2 1 ja 2 is equal to 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. So we got 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. So these values are correct. That means therefore x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. Here if you not get 11 means you made mistake in simplifying the process. Okay. Okay students, if you like the video, please refer my channel to your friends and classmates. You have any doubts, please ask me in comment section and I will clarify your doubts.